Light Squad.
So,
Welcome back to
yeah.
another video in Adult Me. Well, our second video in Adult Me. And right now,
you might be wondering why are we wearing this outfit. And also, there's a pizza place right behind us.
We just got this pizza place.
Well,
me like.
And we're gonna give you a tour.
Just got this pizza place.
And also, look at my roof. Now
I just got this
Fox.
Phoenix
Well,
Gold.
actually, you got it for ages. You've had it for ages.
Yeah, and then now be nice jealous because you was on balls.
Yeah, but I'm not that jealous anymore. So right over here is like where they pick a table, and you turn the light on if they're like at the table.
Yeah, and then like.
So over here is staff only cooking place where you cook pizzas,
and then upstairs
is
staff only, and it's like pet room.
Yeah, this is gonna be the pet room because we don't allow pets up here at work, but.
Well, yeah, so that's gonna be the pet room up there.
Yeah.
They're just gonna be sleeping all the time because like you won't be seeing them in like role plays or like if like we get a normal house, like we would like.
So guys, we'll come back when the pizza place is open.
Yeah.
Bye. People are arriving. So yeah.
Guys, people just arrived. Or some people.
Yeah.
Someone. Oh,
she has a flamingo.
I just said hi.
Why is it? Would you like a table?
But he's gonna be cooked.
Not me.
I'll be cooked. Okay, so I'll cook pizza.
Okay, so fun.
This pizza place gets a lot of money. And mine, well, off camera, I had a pizza place. And then, like, no one came, so I sold it. And I got lots of money. So, yeah.
We need pizza.
Okay.
Table.
Where's the girl?
2. Would you like a table 2? Oh, everyone needs a shower.
There you go.
Would you like a table 2? Oh, someone needs a mummy.
What? Someone needs a mum?
Yeah. Okay, so she will cut this table. Oh, someone says yummy. But off camera, people were so rude. They did not sit down. They kept going and stuff.
The staff only place. A girl is about to come into the staff only place. Got pizza ready.
Okay, there's an would you like a table 2? Sorry for not oh yeah. Yes.
You go, Miz. I spelled it wrong.
Where's the bathroom? Follow me. She has to go in the staff room because the bathroom is that way. So follow me. Oh, someone wants another pizza.
Tiana, does she want another pizza?
Yeah.
I know a girl going up the.
Yeah, I know. Someone just wants to know where the bathroom is.
Right, so it says XXXX rainy.
We should move the bathroom downstairs, where the kitchen is, and then we should move the kitchen up there, cause.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah.
Like then, like they don't know, like when we're cooking the pizza, and
the pizza's only $1. The pizza is.
Yeah, like the pizza's only like $1. Yeah. That only gets $1.
Hi.
These are only $1.
How much do I pay you?
How much do I pay you?
$1.
Oh, again. $1.
Have a good day.
Day.
Half this. What? Oh, she gave me $100. Thanks so much, girl. It's only $1 and she gave me so much money. Oh, she's so sweet.
I got pizza. I did. I'm gonna go.
Wow, that was a quick day. We still have 7 minutes of working. Wow.
My fox is sleeping, and my fox needs to go have a shower and
Yeah.
to the playground.
Thunderstorm does too. So we should, this place should be probably blocked off, the bathroom, and then we should probably like move it downstairs because the kitchen cannot fit down here.
Yours is hungry. I knew I need being your family.
Oh yeah. Popped up.
Then I go loser.
Guys, my mum. Yeah, so, yeah. What we were talking about again?
I don't know.
Um,
Having a lot of customers.
I think we were talking about moving the bathroom down there.
I want to show the viewers my new bunny carriage.
Yeah, she's got a bunny carriage. She traded it for, I don't know.
Bunny carriage.
What did you trade the bunny carriage for?
I don't know. Pet, I think.
She used to have a pet giraffe, like I told you in the other video. I don't know why she didn't keep it.
So let's go to the playground while we wait for cousins.
I click dress up. Hang on, guys. I need to unclick dress up.
Okay, so this is the where are we going?
I don't know.
Where's your cat? Oh, there it is.
Should we soon should we go guys, we'll be back.
Okay.
We arrived.
And this girl wouldn't get off my bunny yet.
Yeah, now she wants to be my mum. Well, wants me to be my mum.
Because I have a bunny carriage.
Yeah. I'm just gonna go on the swing. Guys, comment down below if you've ever swung like all the way around on this. I haven't. I want to.
Wanna adopt me, yeah. Because I've never.
I don't think it's possible. I wish they could make it possible.
Yeah. I wanna get up here.
Okay.
My folks isn't bored anymore. Let's go back to your house.
Yeah, mine is.
So let's get my bunny carriage.
Guys, we'll be back when we go to my house. Hang on. We're at my treehouse now because at night our shift ends.
We just arrived at
Midnight's
treehouse.
And I'll give you a tour. So this is the lounge room. This is like the mini kitchen. No, they don't know. This is the bathroom. I love the bathroom.
And then here's the bedroom.
Here's bean bags, and then the bedroom's over here. This is my bed, that's Starlet's bed, and then our friends.
Our other friends' bed. So this is Sunset bed, and this is Paige's bed.
So, yeah.
But of course I have real names. Then my name is not like Sunset, or like Paige, or like...
Well, no, Paige is their real name. They have 2 names. Yeah. Paige has 2 names.
Oh, yours is a present.
My name's after this, when Thunderstorm's an adult, I need to work on Ellie.
Ellie.
Yeah.
That's like the only one that you need to work on. Wait, I got a cracked egg.
Really? You have a cracked egg? When did you get that?
Got it like way off camera.
Oh.
I wonder what I'm gonna get. What if I get bunny and rabbit?
Yeah, you don't have a rabbit.
Yeah, I don't have a rabbit, but I have a bunny and really love.
Yes. Guys, we'll be back again. Sorry about so much pausing.
We'll be back.
Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment.
Comment down below. Video we've done.
Well, we've only done 2.
So we've only done 2, but
bye.
out.
Yeah. Well,
So,
bye, guys.